starting the recording. We do not sell any product or receive any kickbacks if we are by way of discussing during the session. If we refer to our product or any part of services, rest assured we are not promoting them and we do not get any kickbacks. We are recording the session for the purpose of training, and also sometimes the participants who have stayed back till the end do request and they can get the recording of the session. You will receive a mail after the end of the session with some pointers that we had covered in the session today. I will be putting all of you on mute, but the chat is available. Feel free to use the chat if you have to add something, if you want to share some comments. I will be reading the chat and I will definitely attend to that. Even then, if you feel the need to unmute yourself, feel free to do so. But let's try and stick to a little shorter span when we are talking or sharing, okay? In the interest of the time, because we have limited time and we need to complete what we are here for. For those who are new, I think everybody has met me sometime or the other. My name is Binda and I'm from Mumbai. Vijay Suri मिली है मुझे पहले, Mrs. Suri मिली है ना मुझे पहले, हम लोग की मुलाकात हुई है इसके पहले.
मेरी शादी नहीं हुई है मैडम. I am miss.
You had missed earlier. I cannot hear you. आप म्यूट पर हैं तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, मैं बताती हूँ अपने बारे में. My name is Binda and I am right now in Mumbai, Mulund. Some of our participants are from different places. I have people from Pune and Hyderabad, and also there are people who would be joining us later. So we do have this platform क्योंकि हम लोग घर पे बैठ के अभी virtual कर सकते हैं, तो कोई भी कहीं से भी बैठ के sessions join कर सकता है. So nice meeting all of you. I come with a background of more than 3 decades of HR background. I have worked with a multinational company, but for the last 10 years, I have been into facilitative training. I'm also passionate about yoga and been practicing for more than 28 years. And I do share whatever knowledge I have in that field with people like you, even on this platform and otherwise. So welcome once again to all of you. In today's session, some of you were there in my goal setting and planning session earlier. And we've been doing different kind of sessions. We have covered vision board. Those who have done the vision board with me may have already prepared their collage and pictures put together and a card by now. If not, before the end of the month, we are going to do the part 2 when we'll complete if you need any help. We also did the goal setting and planning last week, and today is the second session, but we will continue because some of you are new. So why do you want to set a goal? All those who have registered today and are here to understand about goal setting and planning. So why do you think we need to set a goal in life? Anybody? Again, you can put it in the chat or you can unmute yourself and talk about it.
To know where you're going. You can't be aimless.
Yeah, right.
You should have something in mind so that you can work towards it. Otherwise, you're just
some
floating aimlessly.
That you're looking for, so you know where you're going. And if you just keep going, हम तो चले जिधर चले रास्ता मंजिल का पता नहीं है. It should not be like that. Anybody else wants to add to this? Okay, so like I think even Rhoda said, and somebody else mentioned that I knew I had to be here for the Bina. I think Bina was saying she registered for the 11 o'clock session, but then in the morning there's so much of rush for all of us when we have to finish quite a few things before we sit down in front of the PC. So so you need to plan. You have a goal. You had an objective. Okay, 11 o'clock class, I have registered. I want to be there. So you plan accordingly. So whatever is your goal. Now the goal here for some of you was, yeah, I want to attend this 11 o'clock session and understand what more or what is different that Binda is going to talk or share with me. And yes, Uday, right.
To look
Goal
forward.
set, if you don't know where to go, roads lead, where to go, all the roads lead there. If you don't know
No.
where to go, all roads lead there.
They
Uday,
don't.
do you want to
Yeah. We always say,
elaborate?
this, this is one thing we keep saying. If I have not decided where to go, that is, if I don't have a goal, I may be able to take so many ways. One of them may lead me there, but it is not necessarily at the other's goal. Whereas if I know the destination, I would know one route to take. That's the connotation of that.
Yeah, thank you, Uday.
Also something to look forward every day. Get up and look forward to doing something for the day.
Bang
Especially
on,
in this
Rhoda. That's
pandemic time.
exactly what I'm trying to, yeah, we are going to cover today. That some of us might think, good morning, I see Padmini, Jayanti, Nagu joining in, Sheetal also. So welcome, Sumita as well. Anybody, all of you who want to, thanks for coming on the video, Jayanti. I was about to say, anyone who wants to come on the video, feel free to do that. So Rhoda, yes, if you know your destination, you know where you're going, it gives you that kind, there is some enthusiasm to do something. There is some motivation in life to do something. So quite a few of us sometimes do feel that, okay, I am done and I've been there and done everything. Abhi kya hai mere life mein? Abhi to maine kama liya hai, savings ho gaya hai, abhi just maje karenge. I just have to relax, get up in the morning. If I feel like opening the door and going down for a walk, I shall go. If I don't want to go, nobody is going to. I'm not answerable to anyone. So sometimes these kind of feelings come to our mind and we just let ourselves go with the flow that is happening. But when you make set goals, when you decide, okay, if not, your life doesn't have to be chock-a-blocky, 8 baje ye karna hai, 9 baje ye karna hai, 2 baje ye karna hai. But at least during the whole day, if you know 1, 2, 3 things that you are set to do, and you plan your day accordingly, that itself is a good beginning. So when we set goals, it could be intermittent goals, immediate goals, intermittent goals, short-term goals, and long-term goals. So some of us, yes, definitely have certain goals. Okay, I need to fix my house in my native place. So I need to put some money together. I need to talk to my children or my cousins or my siblings or whoever, if it's an ancestral home, and you start planning toward that. Okay, 2025, we are very sure 2025 mein ye karna hai. So then when you have a goal to do that, then you work backwards to say, okay, today I'm in 2021. I have about 3.5 years or so. So I will work maybe towards putting money together, maybe, getting resources, maybe planning, designing on the paper, how exactly we want to. So there are so many things involved. So that's just one thing, repairing your hometown house, or maybe putting up a higher floor or whatever. So once you have that, you seem to start working towards that, and you look forward to something, that planning. So even if you have retired from your job, you are at 55, 65, 70, 72, but there is something that is keeping you going. There's something that you look, other than getting up in the morning, having your breakfast, read the newspaper, have your lunch, have a siesta, again evening have something. So other than that, there is something more that you can do. So last time I had shared a wheel of life with all of you, and I'm sure some of you are here for the first time. So I will once again share it with you people. I would request you to take a paper, pencil, and rough. You don't have to be a very, don't bother about the accuracy as such, but quickly, if you can draw this circle, this is just for your own self. You are not answerable to anyone. You're answerable to your own self. This is your life. So various areas, it could be eight dimensions of life or 10 dimensions. Here there are 10 dimensions of life. Okay, it could be 8 dimensions, it could be 10 dimensions. So make a circle, usko दो भागों में पहले divide कर दीजिए, फिर 4. Make a horizontal line and a vertical line, so you get 4 pies. Now you can divide it further, and totally you will get 10 areas, 10 dimensions, or 10 aspects of life. There will be a center point where all the lines are intersecting. So take that as your center point. Once you have made this circle and made the areas, label them, right on top your career, your studies, your business. Now today for you and me, maybe that may not be really very, very important, but still write there, because some of us may have still something going on, but just write there where you are today. In that field, we will plot it afterward. Then comes the finance and wealth. How are you in your life today at the age of 62, at the age of 73, whatever? आपका जो wealth है, आपका जो finance का status है, वो कैसा है? We don't want too much. Maybe आप अपने लिए बात कर रहे हैं, अपने family, अपने बच्चों के लिए नहीं बात कर रहे हो, अपने लिए कर रहे हैं. अगर आपको तनख्वाह मिल रही है, pension मिल रहा है, or you have enough saving and you're getting enough interest and you are able to run comfortably, maybe you could be at 6, 7, some of you may be at 8. If you feel I'm just managing, you could be at 5 or 4. उसके बाद आता है health and fitness. Where are you on? So वो plotting करेंगे. पहले आप लिख लीजिए health and fitness के बाद social and friends. That is very important also in life, especially when you are retired or when you are, at the stage where you have finished off with your responsibilities. बच्चे भी अपने अपने घरों से निकल गए हैं, empty nest हो गया है. तो फ्रेंड्स, सोसाइटी, समाज की जरूरत पड़ती है. पहले हमने समय नहीं दिया था. Then comes your family. There is no sequence कि इसके बाद ये आता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can just write family there. Family में it is your immediate family, it's your extended family. Then there is romance and love. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to run between the trees and sing songs and all. That is not what we mean by romance, but this is the common chart that we use. So all age group के लिए use किया है, but doesn't stop you from having romance and love in your life even at this stage. तो आपके relationships, आपका bonding कैसा है, आपके partner के साथ, आपके दोस्तों के साथ, आपके बच्चों के साथ, that also is love. Okay. Recreation and fun. How much time do you spend for yourself, looking out for things that make you happy? Then there is contribution. Contribution, आप सामाजिक सेवा अगर करते हैं, if you're doing something towards the community, it could be working, giving some time to the NGO. It could be just helping out your maid's child with his studies. It could be just extending help, monetary help to someone. So weekend contribution does not necessarily mean that it has to be by way of money. It could be in kind also. Personal growth is very important. अभी मैं अगर whatever age की हो गई हूँ, if मैं retire हो गई हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे और grow नहीं करना है. There are various fields I would like to grow in. Maybe my digital skills I want to grow. Maybe I love painting and I just want to start afresh and learn some painting. I can enroll myself in some art classes and do that. So that's way of personal growth. या कोई गाना सीख रहा है, कोई डांस सीख रहा है, so that is also personal growth. Spiritual, yes, today a lot of people, पहले हम लोग सोचते थे कि हम लोग क्या वानप्रस्थ में चले गए, हम अभी गृहस्थ आश्रम में हैं, तब हमें स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ नहीं जाना. योगा एंड ऑल दिस 15-20 साल पहले ऐसे लगता था कि योगा वगैरह जब आप 70-80 साल के हो जाते हो तब बैठ के आपको योगा करना है, ध्यान लगाना है, यंगस्टर्स के लिए नहीं है, ऐसे समझा जाता था. No more. Now every youngster also is trying to do something because he or she wants to remain physical fit, but this spirituality is something beyond yoga. Your connectedness with the higher self, with your own inner self, with your higher self, higher consciousness. If you all have drawn it, take the center point as 0. 0 से बाहर की तरफ 10 है. आप मन ही मन में उसको divided into 4 parts or 5 parts, and you can just say 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 4, 6, 8 or 10. ताकि आपको मालूम पड़ेगा when you are plotting. Now what you do is, if you have a pen with you, pen or pencil, just हर area में आप कहाँ पर हो वहाँ एक dot लगा दीजिए. Supposing in health and fitness, I feel I am at 9. So I will just put a dot at 9 here. Finance and wealth, if I feel I am at 8 or I'm at 7, I will plot it there 7. Business and career, I don't need any business more. I don't have a career anymore, but I'm comfortable. I really don't want to aspire, but still if I have a business and बहुत अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है मेरा, उसका impact हो गया है pandemic में, मेरा business बहुत नीचे चला गया, तो maybe some of you want to write 5 or 4, but otherwise those who have finished their professional life and they are now retired and they do not have any business to go, वो लोग 5, 6 लिख सकते हैं, because you are not aspiring to do anything more there. Similarly, social और friends में बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जो बहुत सारे दोस्तों वगैरह उनके साथ घूमना फिरना, ऑफ कोर्स एज के साथ कम भी हो जाता है, लेकिन देयर आर सम ऑफ अस हु स्टिल हैव कॉन्टैक्ट्स विद अ फ्रेंड. भले मैं 2 साल बाद किसी को फोन करूंगी, मेरी आदत नहीं है कि मैं हर रोज बैठ के फोन करूंगी, हेलो हाउ आर यू एंड ऑल दैट. But yes, I know I have a whole lot of friends. If even at 10 in the night I dial that person will pick up my phone and say, yes, Binda, what happened? Anything I can do for you? So that's the kind of connect that I have with my friends. I don't necessarily, because that friend is, हमारा जो connection है वो इतना अच्छा है कि उनको मालूम है कि Binda is there for me, I am there for her. Doesn't mean कि every day हमें वो social media पे जाना है, फेसबुक पे अपलोड करना है, लिंक्डइन पे अपलोड करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो वेयर आर यू ऑन दैट? Similarly, family, how are you with your family? Are you living in joint family? Even if you're not living in joint family, how are the relations between you? Do you want to improve it? Are you looking it can be better? So you can put there 5, 6, 7, jahan bhi hai. Similarly, baki sari seats. I'm stopping to share the screen here now. I hope all of you have already started plotting, must have plot by now. Anybody has any question? Were you able to plot? I know some of you were here in my earlier session, तो आपके already plotting हुआ होगा. तो एक हफ्ते में तो आपका rating बदलेगा नहीं, but those of you who had done it in the last session, we will move forward. This was for the benefit of those who had not been with me. Okay. Now, what do you do with that? When in each area, जो आपको अभी आपने area में plotting कर दिया. Now pick up 3 areas.
Madam, recreation form.
Sorry, Rashmi.
Recreation form. Recreation form. What you have to put? What is that? Recreation form.
I can't hear you properly. Recreation fun. Okay, recreation and fun. आप अपने लिए किताबें पढ़ते हो, पास टाइम पास करने के लिए, आपका हॉबी कुछ है क्या? आपके पास समय है तो अपने लिए कुछ करते हो क्या? रिक्रिएशन के लिए क्या करते हो? गाना सुनते हो, नीचे घूमने जाते हो, कुछ खेलने जाते हो, या घर में बैठ के किताब पढ़ते हो, या सिलाई बुनाई कढ़ाई करते हो? So that could be recreation fun. Where, what is it? Each one will have different ways. Okay, Rashmi?
Other than work.
Other than work. Something
Other than
that
housework.
makes you feel relaxed. Okay, something that you're doing which makes you feel relaxed. Is that clear, Rashmi? She got dropped. Yeah, she's there. So Rashmi, is that clear? Yeah, I suppose she would have got it. So then once you plot that, because a lot of us don't, you'll be surprised. I know people who have been such workaholic throughout their entire life कि अब जब वो retire हो गए, उन्हें समझता नहीं है कि हम क्या करें. They just don't know how to kill time, because they were so used to getting up in the morning, getting ready and rush to the office and come late in the evening and still be on the phone calling up their sales calls or whatever. अभी अब retire हो गए हैं, bankers and all. I know a lot of people. So बहुत जरूरी है कि अपने आप के लिए, इसके लिए हम लोग hobby ideas वगैरह बोलते हैं ना, हमने session करते हैं उसमें, do something which makes you feel good. So having done that, when you are finished doing that, what we are going to look at is plotting में pick up 3 top areas where you want to work on. There would be all the areas. सबसे पहले तो उसको join कर लीजिए. आपने dots लगाया ना, रश्मि पता चल गया ना आपको fun and recreation का? So अभी वो dots को join कर लीजिए आप लोग. Join करने के बाद, see how it looks. Does it look weird? Does it look round? Connect the dots. Once you have connected the dots, you will get to know, you will realize which are the areas where you need to work more on. जहां पे आपका 5 से नीचे या 5 तक है, उसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर लाने की कोशिश करनी है हमें. अब कैसे लाएंगे? इलास्टिक तो है नहीं कि उसको खींच के ऊपर फिक्स कर दिया. So stay there. Put a date on that paper on the left hand side. Those who have done it today, left hand side पे आज की तारीख डाल दीजिए. Now you have to focus on the 3 areas which you want to work on, and you will start planning. You will set the goals and you will start planning. Now, how are you going to set the goal? What are you going to do? Now, it could be health. Anybody, there's no compulsion, but if you are feeling comfortable, anybody who wants to share one area where he or she wants to work on as priority. Anybody here wants to share?
Health and fitness. Health and fitness.
Health and fitness. तो आपने रेटिंग कहाँ रखा है अपने आप को?
अभी रेटिंग हमने 6 पे रखा है.
Very good. So Chandrakant has kept his rating on 6, and maybe there are various reasons. I am not sure whether he has any health related problem, whether he's already on medication, maybe could be for diabetes, could be blood pressure, maybe uska weight problem hai. Sabka alag alag hota hai. But he feels he's at 6 and he wants to work on that. So from 6, he may not want to go at 10. He cannot go to 10, but from 6, he is aspiring to go to 8. So Chandrakant will make health and fitness में मुझे क्या क्या करना है. Now in health and fitness also there will be so many areas that one wants to work. Be it कि मुझे अपना खाने पीने पे ध्यान देना है. I have no control on my eating habits, so I need to do something about that. That could be one of his. I'm just giving a hypothetical. It may not be true, Chandrakant. I'm just giving a case.
Yes.
Maybe उनका आदत होएगा कि हम लोग I know where he comes from, so you know we are used to eating बहुत तीखा मिर्ची कोकोनट बेस्ड खाना. अगर हम लोगों को खाने का आदत है बरसों से, तो जब तक वो वैसा खाना नहीं खाया तब तक हमें लगता नहीं कि that chicken curry or mutton curry or fish curry वैसा अच्छा नहीं बना है. But the doctor says, my dear friend, you have very high cholesterol and you have to cut down on your coconut intake. You have to cut down on a lot of this. So maybe his wife has decided to make a bland curry or something and he doesn't like it. He still wants that fried fish, अच्छा हुआ तला हुआ चाहिए. So he needs to see कि maybe how can I, slow down on that. So to start with, तुरंत अगर आप बंद करोगे तो difficult हो जाता है. तो maybe if he's eating 3 times in a week, he might want to cut down to 2 times in a week. Slowly, he might want to cut down to once in a week. So he has to set a goal and then plan it how he's going to do. Okay. So we just took an example of health and I just gave something to do about eating. Yes, Padmini, you raise your hand.
Yes. Ma'am, I would like to grow in spirituality.
Yeah.
Spirituality.
Right. So she's saying that
Dasbodh and Jnaneshwari, and I want to go more details into Jnaneshwari, ma'am.
Great. So now Padmini has, now see, I think most of us in spirituality, we must be in 2, 3, 4. None of us really are somewhere beyond 5. That's what I feel. But काफी लोग हम में से सत्संग में जाने. I think Beena will share something because she's already started reading a lot of spiritual. In the last 1 year, she had, in one of the sessions, she did share. So maybe her rating must be at a higher level. But yes, Padmini, now if you want to grow there, so you will write, what is it that you want to do more? How is it?
Yes.
You know, Bhagavad Gita, you know, online classes hote hain. There are various ways. Vedanta karna hai aapko, das bodh karna hai, whatever. So it will be your way of. Jayanti said, yeah. Jayanti says she has shared her thought. So, yeah, Jayanti, you can also share. You're on.
I was just to ask you, but by the time Padmini raised the same question, it is really good. I am in 5. I will like to go up. So you give me
Great.
clue for that also.
Great. So, so Jayanti and Padmini, if you all are there somewhere, so that would be one of your priorities. And you can just, after having listed that, put 2 or 3 points that what is it you want to do in spirituality. When you have the what, you know, it's the what, why, and then how. So when you have the why is it you want to do and what is it you want to do, then the how is your planning. So step-wise जाना जरूरी है. 8, 9 dimensions, 10 dimensions है. सभी को तो साथ में लेके नहीं चल सकते. So we will go one by one. So always pick up the top 3 areas that you want to work on. Top 3 maybe under each of them, put under each heading, put subheadings, subpoints. What are the 3 or 4 things you want to do in health or in spirituality or in recreation or in social life or whichever life, whatever area you want to work on. Then when you have the what, ask yourself, why is it you want to do it? You will have the answer for that. Okay. So in fact, there is something called mind mapping. Maybe that's a good idea. I will make a note. I'm going to do a mind mapping session for this on this platform next time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
There's a beautiful way which will help you if you do a mind mapping also. But right now you can put the main heading, then the subheading, then each one of it. If I know what, why, ask yourself why. You will have the answer. Then you do the how. So for how, you may have the answers, you may not have the answers. Sometimes you might get the answers at the Get Set Up platform. Sometimes you might talk to somebody like here, Jayanti said something, Padmini said something, Beena might share something, and you will get ideas. By listening to people around, you will get ideas and you'll say, oh my God, I never thought something like this. Yes, I can do that. So that's how the ideas will come. And you can do your planning. And when you do your planning, you have to do them. Your goals have to be set smartly. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. मैंने पेपर पे लिख तो दिया, लेकिन क्या चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए, कब तक चाहिए, अगर वो नहीं लिखा तो it will be the same thing. मैं तो चला जिधर चले रास्ता, कोई मंजिल नहीं है. Okay, so that is how it will be. Yes, Beena?
Yeah, I want to ask you regarding improving my communication with my friends and all. But by the time I get free, it is a time for them to have an afternoon nap or they go to bed early in the night. Because so how to, I mean, I want your guidance how I can improve in this.
So Beena, for you, then there was friends and society likha hai na wahan pe. So your social circles and friends, that is the area you will be working on.
Yeah.
And you specifically said about, you know, you need to connect with your friends, but some of your friends
because
do not
now
have the kind of time when you
COVID,
have the time.
Yeah, because of the COVID, we don't even happen to meet each other. Otherwise,
Yes.
we used to meet once in a month or 2 months like that, you know. And now it is still, I mean, because of COVID, we are not able to meet each other.
Correct. So Beena, that has happened with most of us.
Yes.
Most of us are in the similar kind of a thing. You're talking about friends. There have been families we have not met. I met
Yeah.
my son, daughter, and the grandchild after a year personally. We met, because otherwise it used to be virtual. That is how it is for most of us. But then we have to find a way. What is it you want to do? And when you have the answer to the why, you will work out how you're going to do. So Beena, you can also work on, maybe you can connect with each other virtually. If there is a group of friends, you said you used to meet once a month, so maybe you can just have a virtual meeting. एक link भेज दो और सब लोग virtual platform पे 2 से 3 बजे तक या decide on a common time and plan करके. तो everybody may not be available. अगर आपके 6 friends है, 6 के 6 नहीं मिलेंगे, कम से कम 3 या 4 मिलेंगे. Next time the others will come and slowly they all start. The goal is to meet. You start planning and then you will find time. हो जाएगा.
Thank you very much for the guidance.
You're welcome. So all that you're going to do, make sure specifically क्या चीज चाहिए. Don't just do something हवा में ये करना है, मुझे weight loss करना है. कितना करना है, कब तक करना है, क्यों करना है, इसका सबका आंसर होना जरूरी है. So that is very important. Specific, measurable, दिखना चाहिए आपको. What is it that you're going to do? Okay, I want to lose, I want to bring my blood sugar reading from here to here. So you need to have, okay, next 6 months, I'm going to monitor myself and do it. मैंने लिख तो दिया, चंद्रकांत, don't take me wrong, but I'm just, since we started health, okay, उनका जो भी BP है 170, 160 अगर है, तो भगवान ना करे इतना हो, but अगर suppose उधर है और वो बोलेंगे कि नहीं मुझे इतना तक लाना है 6 महीने में, and then what is it he has to do? He has to go for a walk morning and evening. Maybe he has to do the breathing exercises. Maybe he has to cut down, manage his, lifestyle and his diet or something. After having done all that, he will see the change and he will monitor it every month, every 2 months to see how he is going. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज 4th March को plot कर दिया, पेपर पे लिख दिया and then पेपर बंद करके रख दिया and then I'm waiting 6 months में मेरा BP down होने वाला, बाकी कुछ मैंने किया ही नहीं. ऐसे नहीं होता है. So you have to plan and you have to take action.
मैडम ऑलरेडी हमने स्टार्ट किया है, already start.
Very good, very good. Because you were all, I mean, you would have, most of you are doing it in your own way, but by attending this session, maybe it's just adding to your knowledge. As I always say, this Get Set Up platform.
आपके क्लास के वजह से आइडिया मिल रहा है.
Yes.
आइडिया मिलता है.
Yes. Because यहाँ पे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि सबके, the collective wisdom in this platform is a lot more. सबसे थोड़ा knowledge मिलता है, सबसे थोड़ा सीखने को मिलता है. So it is just because I'm sitting here and talking doesn't mean कि I know it all. So I also learn from all of you. So that's why this platform, we say a lot of peer learning happen. So measurable and achievable. अब मैं बोलूंगी कि मैं, I am retired now. I always wanted to run a marathon, DNA ka marathon या Standard Chartered ka marathon January में होता था, तो I always, but because of my job, I could not run. So now I'm going to run. So maybe I have to first start walking. Then I have to start, walkathon karna padega, walk and run. Suddenly I can't just go on the road and start running. I might just collapse or I might get blisters. I need to be properly trained or I need to have the background how to do it. Then again, I cannot set a target for me after 60 years of my age that I'm going to run 25 kilometers, I'm going to complete, or 10 kilometers. Maybe I can start with 3 or 5 kilometers. The endurance run I can do. So that is okay. So set a goal which is achievable. Don't set something कि बोल दिया हो गया. It's not like जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो करता हूँ और जो मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ वो भी करता हूँ.
This smart goal.
Yes. And they have to be realistic. And they have to be realistic and also time bound. कब तक करना है, नहीं तो हमने लिख दिया और छोड़ दिया, जब होगा तब देखा जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं चलता है. Yes, Beena, quickly, since you have raised your hand.
Yeah. I want to ask you that whether meditation comes under spiritual and health also. Yeah, and health also. Okay.
Because health may you need mental peace, right?
Yeah.
So health में भी आता है और spirituality में भी आता है.
Okay, no, because I was confused about it, whether
No,
I
no,
should take
because
meditation.
basic, yeah. स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान लगा के आप चिंतन मनन करने बैठ जाओगे एंड ऑल दैट बिकम्स स्पिरिचुअलिटी. सो इट्स द बेस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मेडिटेशन.
Okay, thank
Right.
you.
So when you set, now what you do is, when you now we have understood the SMART goals, the listing, what and why. Now how? So when you write your what and why, there are 5 points you must remember. When you make a list, सबसे पहले तो जो दिमाग में आता है उसको लिस्ट करो. देन यू प्रायोरिटाइज कि इसमें से कौन सा मुझे पहले करना है, कौन सा बाद में करना है. ओके, सो यू आफ्टर यू मेक द लिस्ट, यू प्रायोरिटाइज इट. Then you see some of the things that you will have to do, some of the things may be delegated, or maybe you need somebody else to step in. आपको किसी की जरूरत पड़ सकती है, किसी का सहारा लगेगा, किसी को सपोर्ट लेना पड़ेगा, या वो चीज कोई और कर सकता है. लाइक सपोजिंग इट इज, टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, ऐसे गांव का घर बनाना है. आई एम डेफिनेटली, एंड हम लोग 4 भाई बहन हैं और हमें गांव का घर रिपेयर करना है, तो वो एक मेरा गोल है. बट आई कैन ऑल्सो, because my other siblings are involved, so when I make that list, I can delegate it to my brother to say, look, we have to start working on this, start giving it a thought, और हम लोग अगले महीने में फिर बैठ के, so I will delegate it to my other siblings also, and we come together and talk about it कि आपने क्या सोचा आपने. So some of the things that is in my mind, I have also asked others to help in. तो ऐसे अलग अलग चीजों में delegate कर सकते हो. Okay, there is a goal today. If you want to attend a session, we have a guest speaker at 6 o'clock today, Subodh Gadgil. He's going to ask a very important session for all of us. Why is it, sorry, asking yourself the question why. Whatever we do, why is it that whatever we are doing, what is the why in it? So you will get to learn something about how you can ask yourself the whys. जब हमें अपने मन में कोई शंका रहती है, कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, कोई डाउट रहता है, तो हम अपने आप से पूछते हैं कि क्यों ये मैं करना चाहता हूँ. तो he is going to talk about it. So I think a lot, it will help us a lot. But when we are doing something like, I have to, why did I talk about 6 o'clock session? Because if I know I have to attend at 6 o'clock, सडनली मुझे पता चला बिंदा की सेशन में कि ये 6 बजे ये सेशन है. नाउ 6 बजे तो मुझे नीचे जाके एक पार्सल भी देना था मेरे पड़ोसियों के लिए. नाउ व्हाट कैन आई डू? सो आई कैन आइदर डेलीगेट इट टू माय wife to say, okay, listen, I need to attend this, I don't want to miss this, can you go and give that? So you have delegated. Or maybe you can call up that friend, can you come and pick it up? Or you have said, okay, 6 baje nahi, main 8 baje aake deta hu. Something like that. So if it is on your list, so these are, I said, immediate kuch karna hai, intermediate mein karna hai, short term mein karna hai, long term mein. To aise alag alag cheez. Once you make your list, it is important to revisit it. आज मैंने लिस्ट बनाया है ना, अभी शाम को फिर से रिविजिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मे बी आफ्टर अ वीक टेक अ लुक एट इट, कैसे चल रहा है. डू यू वांट टू चेंज समथिंग बाय वे ऑफ योर प्रायोरिटीज? डू यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग? कुछ नया भी आ सकता है आपको ऐड करना है उसमें, और यू वांट टू डिलीट समथिंग. सो रिविजिटिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड रीफ्रेमिंग इट. आपने जब रिविजिट किया तो उसको ऑल्टर किया थोड़ा सा, एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो reframe the whole thing कि okay, 4th मार्च को मुझे लगा था हेल्थ पे मुझे ज्यादा जोर देना है, बट आई थिंक मुझे कुछ लर्निंग पे भी, अपना पर्सनल ग्रोथ पे भी जोर देना है. सो आई कैन पुट दैट ऑल्सो एज माई सेकेंड प्रायोरिटी और फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी कि हाँ, मुझे लगता है मुझे काफी चीजों की जानकारी नहीं है डिटेल में, सो मे बी आई वॉन्ट टू एनरोल माई सेल्फ. टेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोविड वैक्सीन, उसके बारे में मैं इधर उधर पढ़ रहा हूँ लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा जानकारी नहीं है. Today I think at 4 o'clock we have a session by Dr. Prem, and also we are having a session on the 9th, and we are again having a session on the 16th about vaccine, COVID vaccine. तो उसके बारे में अगर मुझे जानकारी नहीं है तो मैं रजिस्टर करूंगा, and that is also another thing I want to upgrade my knowledge on COVID vaccine. So I will be in a better position to know कभी मैं जाके मेरा वैक्सीन लूं या मैं रुक सकता हूं और एक महीना or something like that. So again, these are just hypothetical and the small examples I'm quoting while we are talking. So having done that, prioritizing, listing, prioritizing, delegating, revisiting and reframing. ये सब जब आपका हो जाता है, you are good to go with goal setting and planning. Is everyone clear with me? Before I move to sharing 12 points, 12 steps, which will help us achieve any goal that you have set for yourself. Any questions so far? Brian Tracy, if people have heard or read the books. Yeah, there are 12 steps to set and achieve any goals according to Tracy. I'm going to share that with you. If there are no more questions, yeah. I suppose everybody is waiting for the
After
steps.
priority, what is the next after priority, you would say?
Priority after, no, once you list, then there is a set priority. If you have listed 20,
Yeah.
go to each one of them. Okay, this is my first,
Yeah.
this is my second,
Delegation
the eighth
also
one can
you
be
can
your
do,
third.
yeah.
So that is setting
Yeah.
priority.
I-
Then you go to
I could-
delegating. Look at
Delegation.
them and see which one of it in your list can be done with somebody else's help.
Yeah.
Not
After
necessarily everything you have to do. So look
In-
at those.
In delegation, do we have to have a priority again? Like
Not
this person
necessarily.
will do
No,
it in a
that
better way,
depends on-
that person, like, I
No,
mean,
so that
specific
depends
work.
on you, who you want to delegate it to.
Okay,
Okay, so if you have 3 people in your mind, maybe you can think, okay, इसको दूंगा तो वो जरूर होगा, दूसरे वाले को दूंगा तो वो शायद भूल जाएगा, मुझे ही याद दिलाना पड़ेगा. So you are the best judge. You decide who you want to delegate. ठीक है?
yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So when we are talking about the 12 steps, I would like to share with all of you. And I'm definitely going to send this to you in the notes. Okay. So these are the 12 steps Brian Tracy talks about. Have a desire. जब तक हमारे मन में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, dream. If you don't dream, you will not want to achieve that. So dream you must. So have a desire. What do you really want? Believe, so that what मैंने बताया ना आपको, what is it that you want and why you want, उसका answer में. Believe that your goal is achievable. When you're writing it, you have to set them smart, because SMA is achievable. Write your goals down. Determine your starting point. Where is it you want to start? आज तो मैंने लिख लिया, लेकिन क्या करूंगा ना मैं आज, ये वीकेंड चले जाने दो, उसके बाद ये वीकेंड में मैं पिकनिक के लिए जा रहा हूँ, तो उसके बाद मैं शुरू करूंगा. So there has to be a starting point. No, I have done it now, so this is the time I want to do it. This is where I want to start. Today is the day. There's never काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. Determine why you want it. I already told you what and then why. Then you set a deadline. There is a timeline for that. कि 3 महीने में खत्म करना है, 6 महीने में खत्म करना है, 2 साल में खत्म करना है. Because then you have to keep monitoring yourself. Any additional knowledge and skills you need to do what you are doing. Like अभी मैंने vaccine का उदाहरण दिया. तो yes, you need some more information. Or I want to construct my house in the native place. मुझे 2 level और बढ़ाना है. I need to gather information. वहाँ की ग्राम पंचायत से कुछ पूछना है, आस पड़ोस के लोगों से कुछ पूछना है. So all that information you have to gather. So उसके लिए भी समय लगता है. So that also becomes the byproduct, branch out of that what you want to do. Planning जब हम करते हैं, तो how is it you're going to do? So वो how में आ जाता है. So determine the people whose help you will need. Delegation, Veena. So make a plan and put it together and visualize your goal continuously. So those who have done the vision board with me, some of you have already done it and put those visions there in a picture format, in a form of image. So when you keep looking at it, it just gets into your subconscious mind. It drives you closer to achieving that vision or that goal that you have been wanting to achieve. And lastly, never give up. You will, if you have a desire and you really want it, you will be able to achieve it. Yeah, any questions? Anybody has any questions? Anybody wants to add something here? Everybody is set to make their goals, write down their goals, or some of you have already written them down? I know some
Madam,
of you
it
were
should
in
be
my
time
earlier
based, no?
sessions and you're, yes?
It should be time based, you know? Time based.
Which one is time-based?
All the our here these are the setting जो goal हमने set किया है वो time पे ही होना चाहिए. Time
See, if you follow it up, see when I said revisited, कभी कभी ऐसे हो सकता है कि आपने टाइम लाइन डाला है बट किसी वजह से वो नहीं हो पाया. सो व्हेन यू आर रिविजिटिंग एवरी मंथ और वंस इन 3 months, आपका वो टाइमलाइन आप चेंज कर सकते हो. अभी बहुत से लोगों ने बहुत कुछ 2020 के लिए रखा होगा, पैंडेमिक आया, सब हवा में चला गया. सो you will have to revisit and change. Yes, Padmini. Yeah, Padmini.
I would like to say, ma'am, we have to believe in ourselves first. I can do
Yes.
it. I can, I will, and I must. We must divide. Believe in yourself. We can.
Yes, when you believe in yourself, you definitely can do it. That's why I said, no, you have to have your desire, and believing in yourself is very, very important. So here, when you believe in yourself, people who believe in themselves are internally motivated. They are the ones who can achieve what they want to achieve. So here's another slide I would like to share. Believe in self, Padmini. Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing that. So people who believe in themselves are internally motivated. They are the people who are self-driven. They don't wait for anyone. धक्का मारने के लिए उनको जरूरत नहीं होती है. They work for their own satisfaction, not for other people. They are also proactive. जैसे मैंने बोला, don't wait for the weekend to come. कि ठीक है, मैंने अभी सेशन तो अटेंड कर लिया, अगले सोमवार को, अगले बुधवार को, गुरुवार को देखेंगे क्या करना है. So that is where those are self starters. These are also the people who take the lead. कि नहीं, अभी मैंने ये सेशन अटेंड किया ना, तो मैं आज शुरू ही करता हूँ. अभी बैठ के मैं after the session I'm going to make my list, I'm going to prioritize it, and I'm going to start working on it. Okay, they do not wait. And they are also action oriented. They start working towards the goal. Do not think about what happened. पिछले टाइम ऐसे मैंने किया था, काम नहीं हुआ, मैं नहीं कर पाया. So forget that. नहीं हुआ, वो रात गई, बात गई, आगे चलो, आगे हमें बढ़ना है. So even this image that is showing you, every step, if you sit, I won't do it, I can't do it, I want to do it, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, so many things are there, but I will try to do it. When you put your first step forward, you will get into the mode of, yes, I can do it. I will do it. And you did it. So यहाँ बैठ के अगर मैं रायगढ़ के किले के पास हम लोग ट्रैकिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं सितंबर में, बरसात के मौसम में, एंड देन ऑल अवर ग्रुप इज, मैंने कभी ट्रैकिंग नहीं किया, लेकिन बहुत इच्छा है मुझे कि मुझे डोरिन के ग्रुप में ट्रैकिंग के लिए जाना है. I go along with her, and वहाँ she will show me from down कि that is the flag. Do you see that orange flag there? That is where we are going to reach. And Binda is watching from here and looking at that flag and saying, okay, I think I want to go there. But मैं खड़ी रह के, can I go there? I need to start climbing with the other people. So I have to put that first step when I start going. Okay, so self-belief is the most important thing when we talk about goal setting.
Very, very nice, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And don't forget, we have been doing time management session, and I think there is one again lined up here. Some of you attended Colonel Bahulekar's time management session 2 weeks back. So time management is integral part of setting your goals, because time bound to hona hi chahiye. So ask yourself, when you believe in yourself, you have to also be aware how can you get best from yourself. Because आपने अपने आप को टटोला नहीं है. You have a lot of potential. Each one of us, विवेकानंद जी कहते थे कि each one has got divine potential in them. It's just that we are not pushing ourselves. So look at what you have, improve your confidence level, and then become the best version of you. When you learn to manage your time, you will be able to achieve your goals. And if you want to achieve your goals, you will learn to manage your time. So it's both ways. Thank you very much for being here with me today. And yes, some of you have already registered for my upcoming sessions, but let me just share with you. This evening, I have a session on Shuddhi Kriya, that's the breathing techniques, Shatakarma at 5 p.m. We also have at 6 p.m. I told you about the session by the guest speakers, Subodh Gadgil. And tomorrow morning, we have a session on getting started with mindfulness. We will talk something about what is mindfulness and how we can bring mindfulness in our life. If time permits, I will do about a 15-minute session on mindfulness, on meditating mindfulness. And tomorrow evening, shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. So both the sessions, mindfulness and scarcity to abundance, is also some way or the other connected to goal setting and planning. So try and register if you have not done it already. And I will see you this evening and tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening. Thank you, Jayanti. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Navinji.
Every day, madam, every day.
Yeah, some of you, yes, I love you all. Some of you are there every day. Yeah, my good friend, Jyoti,
By
Saba.
listening to it again means we are confirming.
Sorry?
By listening to you again and again,
Yes.
we are confirming what we have learned.
Right, right. I know we all do that. I mean, even I attend so many sessions again and again just because, you know, and I think I remember Saba saying that every time kuch naya seekhne ko milta hai ya kuch naya sunne ko milta hai. So when we are talking, we sharing bhi ho jata hai, alag-alag log bhi share karte hain is platform mein, to bahut kuch naya seekhne ko milta hai. So thank you everyone. You will get a feedback link and do give us your feedback, and it feels good to get to know how you like our session and what are the areas we can improve in. And if any one of you are interested to contributing to our platform, we do have ambassador-led sessions. Jahan aap mein se koi agar aap samajhte ho ki you are good at something, you have a skill which you can share with us, do let us know. You can reach out to me or you can reach out to Anita, who is our operations manager, and you have the support group number. So aap wahan pe bhi connect kar sakte ho and let us know. Or yeah, you can write in the feedback also, and we will do it. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Every day is a new relearning and clarity is there coming.
Yes.
जो जवानी में नहीं सीखा आप सीख रहे हैं for अगले जन्म. Thank you very much.
But they, you know, देर नहीं सवेर, you know, देर नहीं सवेर से.
जभी जागो तभी सवेरा.
Yeah, जागो तभी सवेरा. Right, that's also right.
Keep it up, Bindaji, and all the participants, all the team of Get Set Up, and all the viewers. Thank you very much.
Thank you. कैसे लगा, Mrs. Suri? How did you find it? You're on mute. फिर से म्यूट हो गए. वो टच स्क्रीन इतना जल्दी बनता और खुलता है ना, तो उसको नहीं. You're still on mute.
Thank you so much, Binda ma'am. If possible, I joined late actually. If possible, please vision board वाला आप फिर से कर सकते हो sometime, someday, you know, let me know.
Yes, thank you very much, Kamal, for joining in. Yes, I could make out you came in a little late, but doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I think with the flow when you're going, you get the gist of it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sudha and Rashmi and everybody. Bye-bye. See you. Have a great day ahead. And I'll see you in the evening at 5 p.m. for sure. Thank you for the lovely comments, Rashmi, Chandrakant, Sabha, and Padmini and everyone.
Very good
Bye-bye.
session, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sudha. Come again for other session. Beena, I hope you liked it. Join in again.